Has your automobile, motorcycle, boat, ATV or personal watercraft broken down? Does the repair shop want hundreds of dollars to fix your vehicle? Why not download a repair manual straight to your computer in just seconds? Why wait? Download the exact manual trained factory technicians use to repair your vehicle and save hundreds of dollars in repair costs. Don't know the source of the problem? Refer to the troubleshooting section in your repair manual to determine the cause and how to remedy the problem. A repair manual provides step-by-step information such as general maintenance to complete engine overhaul. It covers every aspect of repair. Best of all, the manual contains illustrations to guide you through the repair procedures. Click on the website link directly below this video and download your manual in seconds. Once you download the manual, you can save it to your computer forever as a handy reference for when you need it the most.
Go to 911manual.com to download your Yamaha Bravo 250 repair manual now. The Bravo 250 manual can be downloaded straight to your computer or tablet in seconds.